Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on Jordan's Morning Crisp. This is absolutely nothing artificial as it says there. Maple pecan, non-GMO free, all that basic stuff there. And there are the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause it, and that's French. And this is in English right there. These are, well, 12 grams of sugar, so be aware of that. And let's open this up and do a quick taste test. So this is what it looks like. So these little cluster looking things, that's what it looks like. So it has a nice aroma of maple. It's like a granola cluster, but it is sweet. You do taste it. It is kind of, in a way, like sweet, sugary tasting. But yeah, definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post them below, subscribe to the channel.